Alright, got a little bit of a live trade here. Not the best entry because fucking Ninja Trader takes a long fucking time to fucking log me in. But I am like it's only like 9:20, it's still early. But I am anticipating these highs to get taken out mainly because of this move right here. If you go to the 15, right, we had this beautiful move right here. You got a shift, displacement, tap into the tap into the fair value, an expansion higher, and then price went all the way back down, tap into these order blocks right here. You know what I'm saying? OB, boom. So price did all this move. It didn't take out any buy side. I mean, it tapped into a order block. This is like an hour order block. It's a cluster of them. But I do believe we are gonna, target some buy side. So these highs, I'm anticipating to get ran out, and then we can go higher. And for this particular, hold on, let's make sure I'm not streaming. Okay. For this particular, oh shit. For this particular trade here, I got my stops just below the 50% of this. I would rather not see it go down there, but for precaution, actually, I'm gonna watch this fair value. If this thing doesn't hold, then I'm closing the trade. It's kind of big at that point, but we'll see. Remove that. I'm back in fucking Apex because fucking the prop firm I was trading having problems with NT5. I can't get any trades. So might as well just do a challenge on fucking Apex. Reason why I entered, get order block. You already tapped into a fair value right here. Let me actually I'm gonna go check on my. Actually, no, I can look at here. Let's go to ES2. I want to see something. I want to see the go to the 5 minute. It's the same thing here. Right here. I'm trying to see like if there's an SMT or some shit. I'm trying to incorporate SMT on my trades here. Oh, we do have an SMT. See this? See that? Okay, now I want to see at least this high to get taken out, which is where my TP is at. Standard shit, it's doing this thing. But once we see these highs get taken out, we should be going after this high right here. And we got that SMT right here. See this? This low was not taken out, but here it was. It's not even 9:30 yet. This is a little risky. I don't normally take trades like this, but it presented itself. It looks good to me. It's kind of fucking. It's a little bit going against my rules, but it's just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because I missed out on some good moves that I did see beforehand. Only because the fact that it wasn't 10 o'clock. It was like after 9:30 though. So I'm trying to trade 9:30 until 11. Sometimes I even take trades at 11 because lately I've been seeing 11 o'clock pan out perfectly. Like that's when the movie happening. But that was like a couple months back. But now lately it's been happening at like 10:30 until 11. It's when that, whatever target you have gets ran out. This is a good sign. I want to see aggressiveness from here. We're about to take this out. It's almost 9:30. We also have SMT right here. Look at this. So yeah, I want to see this go fly. But yeah, and the challenge, I don't know if I made a video on that on the prop firm I was trading, but I'm like 70% to the target. I gotta do phase two, but you know, I can't do none right now. That's why I'm on Apex. Yeah, nah, I prefer this thing to just fucking fly, bro. I don't know why it's doing this. Nice SMT going here. Let's see here. Maybe we'll take this out and then go higher. We'll see. The reason why I'm really buying is because we opened here. We already made a move down. It would have been better if we went 50% of this wick, but it don't need to. We already moved, or if we tap this, but we already made a move down, so close to buy side. I am aware, and this is an order block, which is what's holding it back right now. But it just makes a lot of sense. Take out buy side first, and then do whatever the fuck it needs to do. Because this is a London low right here. So we are still playing around this whole range here. Yeah, this whole range. Boom. So yeah, we're still around here. So I want to see some type of purge and then go lower. I'm not even trying to target this. I mean, it's more than likely you don't get taken out, but I'm just targeting this. That's beautiful right there. So we got 13. Well, I still don't know the terminology. I don't know if it's 13 ticks or 13 points. Either one. How much am I risking though? Damn, this is a really bad risk to reward. But my approach on Apex is different than like your traditional prop firms. I'm gonna just move this. There's no reason for price to go down there anymore. If it does, then this trade is not valid. Let's see the ES chart. Okay, we already took out the high on ES. We haven't taken that out yet. Let me see here. I want to just close from here. Reason why. See where we are in ES. We just grab these highs. See this shit right here. Fair value. Buy side. See what I mean? You see that shit? Well, why is this moving like that? But ES is not. Same thing here. Fair value. Buy side. Do we even take it up? Wait, what was that targeting? Hold on. I know I was targeting something. I was targeting this here. Oh, it did take it up. Perfect. You see how the how fucking sensitive that shit is? He took it out. Okay. It's only 9:30 though. I mean, I missed out on a couple dollars, but it is what it is. It's cool. Trying to be precautionary here, but this is looking good here. So far, I don't see an entry short, but I am gonna try to look for shorts at this point. This week here, I want to see displacement from here on the 5 minute though. because this is the invalidation point for me for the buys. So if I see a convincing um displacement from this low, then I'll try to look for entry shorts here. Let me see something here. Oh fuck, bro! Why I keep pressing that, man? This shit ain't even fucking. I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to trade that account anymore. Let's go to the 5 minute here. Let me take out the OC real quick. 5 minute here. Okay, it's around the same. Yeah, no. That was beautiful. Oh shit, it went back down here, bro. You see how fucking, bro, things, this little things like this, bro. Do you see how fucking accurate that shit is? I wasn't anticipating to go down there, but that was an area to look for. Because this, we are playing off of this whole order block here. This whole order block is the whole reason why this trade exists. You know what I'm saying? We didn't have quite the displacement from this high, but we got this left over. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this though. But I actually wanted to go over my trades from this from this account. I only took like a $10,000 account because I just wanted to try it out because you know how it is with the forex firms. I'm not too sure about it, so that's why I was just trying it out. But let's go through my trades here. Yeah, this is my cousin right here. Let's see. I had this nice trade. Yeah, he caught that trade too. That was the same thing that I was looking at. This was the one I missed out on because it happened at like 9:30 around there. It had this nice move. That breaker literally tapped it perfectly, and then boom, it just shorted. Also had this trade here. Let's see. Okay, so we took out buy side displacement low, big ass fair value, order block breaker, boom. Beautiful trade. Simple. TP out of order block. You see how, I mean, we dug into it, went back up, dug into it even more, but look at that shit. Just in reverse. That was just one of the trades. I don't know, it's kinda hard to go over it because I don't have like trading view premium or whatever. So I don't really need it because I don't be back testing on that shit. I honestly don't like back testing. But I did buy FX replay though, just to test some things out. And I'm just not that good with back testing. I don't know what it is, bro. In back testing, I always like my trades be fucking up. But when I'm live trading, it's different. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I guess it is a good thing because live trading is what matters. But yeah, no, when I'm live trading, you know, I have better results than fucking back testing. But yeah, so we got a little small win though. It's only like 9:30, so I'm gonna just end this, and I'll come back later if I find an entry. So I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, update. The first part of the video, like I said, I wanted to see buy side get taken, and then we can move on to at least this London low. And as you can see in my last, I mean not last, the first part, I already had these marked out, the sell side. And look where price went. But like realistically, I wouldn't be able to catch this because it's really early in the day. And after I did this, I wouldn't want to trade for the rest of the day because you already meet my targets. But basically, as you can see, I'm up 700. You know, on the first part, I was only up like 100. But basically, like I said though, I wanted to see displacement off of this low. We had that. I was like, okay, everything here is covered up. Everything is, everything's balanced. I went to the 1 minute. We had this. This would have been a perfect entry, but I kind of didn't want to trade that. I mean, looking back at it now, it makes a lot of sense because everything here is balanced. So price going back up there, rebalancing that would have been a perfect entry. But I was a little bit late, as you can see here. I entered at this like right here, so around right here. Entered there. I was only gonna put one stops up here, but then I accidentally. Well, no, I was gonna sell again. I was gonna add another entry, right? But I pressed sell ask. Wait, no. I think I was gonna close. No, I wasn't gonna add another one. I was gonna close. And I pressed sell ask, and then that added another fucking contract in there. I was like, oh, what the fuck? And then I think I added another one, and then I was like, oh shit, fuck. Like I just didn't hold it at that point because shit. Hold on, my arm. Fuck. No cuts. But basically yeah, I just didn't hold it at that point because I have a lot of size in there, and if this thing goes against me, I'm fucked. So I mean, if I held it, I would have passed the challenge. But bro, like I don't want to get lucky like that. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not how I trade, man. I don't want to win like that. Like I want to win the way I normally do it, which is with proper risk management and setup. I mean, this was a proper setup. But yeah, everything that I said panned out. Took out buy side first, boom, went down. We first took a buy right here, take out buy side. Price did this thing, chopped around, boom. We had displacement below these lows. Nice. Break the structure. I mean, you could have considered this as the break actually, because that's a swing low and that swing low tapped into a fair value. And price displays through that. That means it wants to go down lower. Here, I might just label that too. That's the order block entry right there. That would have been perfect entry. Shit, if you got in on this, stop up there. Stop just below here. Even if you just want to target that, that's already good enough. You see how reactive it is too. We we grabbed it. Nice little retraction. I mean retracement, and then went down lower. And overall target would be this for me personally, because that's a London low. That's very say a lot. That's very sensitive. So yeah, that's about it for today though. This was a beautiful day, man. Beautiful trade. Everything was just perfect. But yeah, that's really just about it, man. So I'm edit these two clips and I'm gonna get uploaded. So whoever watching my videos, thank you as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.